Hello guys, my name is Asis Wasi. I am a professional Gohighlevel expert with 4 years experience working with numerous clients. I just want to walk you through how you can make your A2P verification done in less than 24 hours. So before I move forward, firstly you need to uh, get your phone number and set up your profile, your name, your everything. You need to set it up and set up everything about this one. So you need to set it up and get your phone number done before we move started. So after then, you need to have a website. The website that it is live. The website must have the checkout box, the link magnet website like this. So you need to have your own website like this. Let me go to the website. Let's go to the website. So you need to have a website like this, have a form website that have the checkout box, that have the summits, the time and condition and privacy, the everything if you do the logo of the company, everything you need to have it like this. So you know that we add the custom value here and we have the custom value here. So in time and condition too, I had a custom value to it. You can check here. So you see that I have a custom value here. So if you want to do it professionally, so you need to add your custom value like that and have your privacy time and condition page, then get the link of that page, the link of that page, the link, because the link must be active and very alive before you can start up. Then the custom value, go to custom value, add your privacy like at time and condition, the privacy and policy, the website, add it to your custom value so that the value will be alive. I've already added it here. This is the privacy. So if you want to add it, just click like this and add your link here. So if you want to add new, click here and add the new. So that's how it works. Then add the terms and condition to the custom value. Automatically it will generate like this. So when someone click this one, it will automatically go to terms and condition. So when someone click this one too, it will automatically go to privacy and policy. And also it works for this one too, because the Gohighlevel will check everything if it is alive or not. Then we can move forward to this stage now. After you done everything, then start. Then go to this site. Just want to move myself here. Go to this site, continue. Then everything is aligned. Then my website, which is this one. My website, which is this one, must be here. My website must be here. Which is this one. You can see this is a website. This website, check any book an appointment here and see the checkbox. Okay, the link magnets. Let's check the link magnet one. This is the link magnet one because it must be aligned. Continue. Then this one you need to fill it up, continue. Then the contact of the owner of the company, then continue. Then you need to pick if you want to send message more than 6,000 upload per day, you can pick this one. If you send SMS like between 1,000 to 6,000 SMS every day, you need to pick low, which is recommended for everybody, then acknowledge, then continue. So this is where you can be able to set your campaign. So we have the format here that you can follow, but let's quickly use this one as an example. So let's go, paste it here. This calendar is automatically okay. Your company name and on our website, So what is the company name? Where you can be able to get your company name. Firstly, click the copy this website as you copy it here. So go to where you can be able to see uh your name, your business name. This is your business name, company name. eh, This is the company name. This campaign send appointment information and confirm reminder to customer and okay to customer once they book an appointment with okay on our website and opt-in on our website. So where you can be able to add our website link here is our website link on our website and opt-in to receive promotion. Okay, in the company name here too. Again, company name here too. Then full stop. Then this one you go like this one must be include lead name, your name and business name and opting language. So let's use John for an example. Hey John, your business name, your name, which is the CEO name, CEO name. Okay, this one, copy it, move here. This is from your company name, from our company name for January. For January 10 11 EST confirmed. Okay, the number you bought, go to the number you bought, phone number, because the number must be alive, must be live, so that when they check it, they can be able to know that this is the number you want to use to send SMS. Now, copy, increase, okay, then go to this one. You can use this one as an example. This one is there. You can use this one. Hey, this is which is include my name. You can see include lead name, your name, business name, and business name from from hello. Let's use John here. Let's use John. Okay, we confirm comments. Okay, so let's move. You can check if this message is embed and or anything. Then move. Then this one will be like this, where this is what people are using to get verified. But actually, we have our own, which is contain what I set it up here. Let me use this one. Any user consents to receive messages by a couple of way. One way is radios where you can customize and by submitting their okay, okay. I don't want to use this one. I don't want to use this one. Let's use the example they give us. Let's use the example they give us. So actually, we are going to use our website link here. Our website link. Our website. websites and fill their details and check out. Okay, to receive messages from this number, from this number. There's done. This one, I have the example here. In our automation, I have an example that we can be able to use. So let me go to our automation. If you want to use the that one they use is cool. You just need to check some things. You just need to edit some things. Actually, it's something that you guys can know. This place is not this place. Okay, message stop. Let me check message stop. We have SMS here. I'm going to copy. I'm going to here. You can see contain business name and open. Now let's do it like this. John. John, you are officially opting to our website from. You are officially opting to receive message from, which is your business name, your business name, your business name, which is this one. Let's go back. Let's go to our business profile. Let's go to our business name. Let's go to this place and save it like this. Remove the custom value. Okay, boom. Add to receive and start by receiving messages. Again, by okay. Then apply. You can edit. Boom. You can see. So we are almost done. Then submit. That's how you can be able to do your verification, your A2P verification. So you can see now we are going to wait after 24 hours and I will show you the thing again. So if you need your setup, your A2P setup or your Gohighlevel setup, you can contact me from this number +234 08 52 76 30 75 +234 08 52 76 30 75. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all for watching me. Thank you.